Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore how to streamline your project workflows using Smartsheet, a powerful tool for managing tasks, timelines, and resources in one place. If you're looking to improve project efficiency, collaboration, and tracking, this tutorial is for you. Smartsheet helps you organize and automate tasks, manage schedules, and keep track of progress with ease. Let's dive into how to get started. Create your Smartsheet account. Sign up for a Smartsheet account on their website. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access a variety of templates and tools to help you manage your project from start to finish. Set up your project sheet. To begin, create a new sheet for your project. Smartsheet offers pre-built templates that are customizable for different project types, or you can start with a blank sheet. Add columns to track key details such as task name, assigned team member, due dates, status, and priority. Assign tasks and set deadlines. Break down your project into manageable tasks. Assign each task to a team member and set deadlines to ensure the project stays on track. Smartsheet allows you to assign multiple people to tasks, track their progress, and adjust timelines as needed. Use Gantt charts for visual tracking. Smartsheet's Gantt chart feature lets you visualize your project timeline. You can easily drag and drop tasks to adjust timelines, identify dependencies, and see your project's overall progress at a glance. This feature is perfect for managing complex projects with multiple moving parts. Automate alerts and reminders. Smartsheet allows you to automate notifications, so your team is always updated. Set up automated reminders for upcoming deadlines or receive notifications when a task is completed or updated. This helps keep the project moving forward without constant manual updates. Collaborate in real time. Smartsheet makes it easy to collaborate with your team in real time. Use the comment feature to leave feedback on tasks, attach files, or provide updates. Team members can also tag each other to bring attention to specific items, ensuring clear communication. Track project progress with dashboards. Create custom dashboards to track key performance indicators, KPIs, project milestones, and team performance. Smartsheet's dashboard feature provides a high-level view of your project, making it easy to spot bottlenecks and adjust as needed. Integrate Smartsheet with other tools. Smartsheet offers a wide range of integrations with tools like Google Drive, Microsoft Office, Salesforce, and more. Connect your favorite apps to streamline data sharing and reduce manual work. By using Smartsheet to manage your project workflows, you can improve collaboration, stay on top of deadlines, and ensure your project is completed efficiently. Have you used Smartsheet for project management before? Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next one.